This video will utilize a ready-to-render file that features my style. This is a CLO file, and I need to open it. Clicking Render will display the rendering result. You don't have much work to do here. Let's change the color of the fabric. This appears to be satisfactory to me. I will change the stitch color from this point onward. I will choose the same color as the t-shirt. The rendered result looks good to me. I will now add a custom logo to this t-shirt. I can adjust the size from this location. I will make some slight adjustments to the logo. Let's take a look at the rendered result. It's time to add a print to it. The print file appears to be very small, but I can edit it from this location. This looks good to me. Now, I will adjust the color. Adjusting the stitch color as well. The render now appears to be of premium quality. I will try to find a jersey texture. Let's give this a try. I will change the substance to PBR. I will now add the jersey texture here. I need to make some basic adjustments to ensure that the texture fits perfectly. I will adjust the size from this point forward. Everything appears good to me. I will add a new fabric to this logo to change its color. Let's take a look at the rendered result. I will adjust the color of the label. I truly love this. Let's proceed with the final render and output. I will choose a folder where the rendered file will be saved. You can select the option for transparency when rendering, allowing you to create an image without any background. I will adjust the stitch color for this project. We need to wait for some time before moving forward with this project. You can access all the software through our Telegram channel, Wearable3d. Please find the link to the source file in the description. Use the coupon code to get more discount.